24. On the top of the page, we are reviewing the circle of fifths. So I would like for you to write in the names of the keys inside the circle. So what key has no sharps and no flats? Okay. What key has one sharp? So write the name of the key inside the circle. Where it says one sharp, write what sharp does that key have. So you might already know that the key of G has one sharp and it's F sharp. Okay. If you know that already, write that in. But you could also figure that out by saying that C has no sharps, no flats, go up a fifth. Okay. Now say your sharps in order. Fat cats go down, Allie's eating bugs. Well, the key of G has the first one, F sharp. Okay. The key of D is going to have the first two, fat cats. Then you'll keep going around the scale or around the circle. Remember all of the sharps. If you can't remember one, count up 5 letters. If you can't remember a key, count up 5 letters. The last sharp that you write for each of the keys should be a half step lower than the name of the key. So F sharp is only a half step lower than the key of G. So that's another way to check yourself, okay? Flats. The next to the last flat will be the same name as the key. So 2 flats. B, greatest common factor, is the flat. So B, E. So the next to the last one, B, is the name of B flat. Okay, so fill in the circle of fifths with all of the flats and all of the sharps. Then at the bottom of the page are key signatures. Tell me what key that is. I give you the sharps or the flats. You tell me what key it is. What key has 3 sharps? What key has 6 sharps? What key has 2 flats? Okay, all the way across there. Second page, tempo markings. So we have all of these tempo markings: largo, lento, adagio, andante, andantino, moderato, allegretto, allegro, vivace, presto, and prestissimo. So I would like for you to figure out, take a mode of transportation. Okay, mode of transportation. Horse and buggy, a bicycle, a donkey, I don't care. Anything that we use to transport, a train, and come up with vehicles that match the description of these tempos, okay? Now don't put like a train for allegro and then for presto like a galloping horse, because a train can outrun a galloping horse, okay? So figure out what would you describe as largo, what would you describe as prestissimo, and then come up with a mode of transportation and let me know what you come up with. I am super excited to see what your creative minds will create, okay? This is a short lesson because last week we had a longer lesson working on all of the flat keys and figuring out how their key signatures are created and what they are. So this is it for this week, lesson 24. I'll see you guys next week.